All right, everybody, this is really exciting. So far, we've been talking about suffixes. Who can remind me, what's a suffix? That's right, a letter or group of letters added to the end of a word that change the meaning of the word. But today, we're going to learn about our first prefix. Our what? That's right, prefix. A prefix is a lot like a suffix, but listen to how it's different. A prefix is a letter or group of letters added to the beginning of a base or root word to change its meaning. So a suffix is added at the end, a prefix is added where? That's right, at the beginning. All right, this is the prefix un. What prefix? That's right, un. Un means not or opposite. What does it mean? That's right, not or opposite. This is spelled UN. How is it spelled? That's right, UN. UN says un. What does it say? That's right, un. And what does it mean? Very good, not or opposite. We're going to go ahead and write this on our paper 3 times while repeating the suffix name, meaning, and sound. UN, un, not or opposite. Now it's your turn. Let's do it together. UN, un, not or opposite. All right, I want to hear you do this one all by yourself. Very good. UN, un, which means not or opposite. Way to go. Now we're going to read some words with our new feature in them. All right, you know the drill. The first thing we're going to do is write all of these words down on your paper. So I'll underline and you write. Awesome, let's write down this word. Great. Let's write down this word. Awesome, let's write down this word. Great. Let's write down this final word at the end. Awesome. All right, great. Let's write down this word. All righty, and this word. Great. Let's write this word. Awesome, and let's write down this final word. All right, you should have written down all of these words on your paper. Great. The next thing we're going to do is bracket the prefixes on all of these words. Who can remind me, what prefix did we just learn about? That's right, UN. What does it mean? That's right, not or opposite. So let's go ahead and find it in all of these words. I see it here. I see it. Oh. Great, I see it here. Awesome. We have it right here in this word. Right here. Awesome, we have it here. Great, we have it here. And our last one is right here. Okay, great. The next thing I want you to do is read all of these words after the bracket. So only read the base word, don't read it with the prefix. Thumbs up if that makes sense. Great. Go ahead and read me the top row of words. Awesome. You should have read cross, block, mute, mask. What words? Awesome. Now let's read the bottom row of words. Remember, base words only. Great. You should have read crate, drape, clasp, kind. What words? Awesome. Great. Now I'll read the words with the prefix and the base word, and you'll repeat after me. My turn, uncross. Your turn, unblock. Your turn, unmute. Your turn, unmask. Your turn, uncrate. Your turn, undrape. Your turn, unclasp. Your turn, unkind. Your turn. Awesome. Who can tell me, what does the word unmask mean? Very good. It means that you're not wearing a mask, or it's the opposite of a mask, so you could see somebody's face. Very good. Great work on these words to read. Go ahead and read all the words for me one more time. Great. All right, we're going to practice writing some words with our new prefix. Who can remind me, what's our new prefix? Very good. Un. And what does it mean? That's right. Not or opposite. Way to go. The first thing I need you to do is set up your paper to look like my slide. So go ahead and create 3 columns, write prefix for one, base word for the next one, and word for the last one. I'm going to give you about 10 seconds to make sure your paper is set up like mine. Awesome job. Now we're going to spell some words with our new prefix. The first word I want you to write is going to be in this column that says base word. Please write the word mute. Let's finger spell it together. Mute. Go ahead and write it down now. Awesome. Now in the first column, I want you to write the prefix that means not or opposite. Go ahead and write that now. Great. I'm going to do this one with you to make sure we're all on the same page. The first word you should have written is the word mute. Did everybody write mute in their base word column? Awesome. Next, we were supposed to write the prefix that means not or opposite, which we know is un from this very lesson. Now, in this final column, I want us to put it all together. So what word would we have? That's right, unmute. Go ahead and make sure your paper looks like mine, and then it'll be your turn to try all by yourself. Great. Now let's write the base word. Remember, in this column right here, twist. What's the word? That's right, twist. Let's finger segment it together. Twist. Go ahead and write that on your paper now. Awesome. Now write the prefix that means not or opposite in the prefix column. Awesome. Now I want you to write both the prefix and the base word together in the word column. What's the word? That's right, untwist. Let's make sure we all got it together. So we wrote twist. Then we wrote the prefix that means not or opposite. And then we wrote the word together, untwist. See, this is what your paper should look like. Awesome job.